you guys. This is my review on the Karelia wig. Y'all stay tuned to see how I installed this wig. I think it's really pretty. Yeah, so y'all stay tuned. YouTubers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got another wig review, and today I have Karelia, and she comes in the color 1B this time. I don't think anybody reviewed this color before, and I've been trying to see if anybody has reviewed the 1B color because I just wanted that one color, and I don't really think I look good in these extra color bomb colors that they came out with. But not only do they just come in color 1B, of course you see the 3 across. There is you got dip blueberry and all these other colors. They got like the half blonde at the top, the pink, purple, red, whatever you're looking for, a little brown, chocolate kind. So I was interested in getting this wig. I got it from HairToBeauty.com because of the wave pattern. I love the waves. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. It does say that let's see, it does have just like this one part in the middle. It's like a one-part wig, like straight down the middle. Does come with 2 combs at the top here, comb at the bottom, and some adjustable straps. I gotta fix the strap. Now it does say that it is pre-plucked, and it has like baby hairs, but I don't really see that it's kind of like pre-plucked around the hairline, so we don't see. I mean, I can't really tell right now, but it is pre-plucked like in the part, but across the hairline, no, I don't think so. So I went on ahead and cut my lace. So this is how she's looking on my head. I'm gonna make sure I ain't blowing in my hair. And y'all, this wig is pretty big head friendly. So I'm really liking how she fit. So I know I gotta bring up on my head just a little bit more. The wave pattern don't really look like how everybody else's look. I don't know, maybe I gotta play with it a little bit more, but this is how she looking on my head. The part. And y'all, the part for some reason look like it's already kind of colored, like from here to here. Like it look like it's light as my skin. It's crazy, but you know, I kind of appreciate it on top of it. But this is how she looking. Okay, I see the waves. I see the waves. Okay. I like Karelia. Give me a little Kardashian vibe. I see. Okay. So this is how long she is, like beneath my tits and like in the back. It's kind of like just waist length, like in the back here. So it's nice. It's nice. All right, y'all. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and play with her, style her up. I'm gonna glue it this time. And so I told you I got this wig from HairToBeauty.com. I'm gonna use the Sif lace bond glue. This came from ebonyline.com. So y'all get the package. $10. They come with a stick, like a little rub-on stick. They also come with the bond remover kit. $10, y'all. $10.95. I think it's $10.95. As if I could find your way and live in the clouds, would you come to? We could live so happily and never come down when we're alone and the lights are low. I
we're alone and the lights are low. I feel your breath upon my neck, hand on my heart. You are a part of me forever. Never forget, no. Never, never forget how I love you. Never, never, never forget me. Never forget.
So this is how she's looking. I did a pretty good job. This is like the first wig I feel like I ever did a pretty good job on. But y'all, this is Karelia. Yes. Yes. Okay. But yeah, y'all, it's not, it's not like not, it's pre-plugged just a tad bit, just a tad. Like it's not all the way pre-plugged. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. All right, you guys. That is the review, but I really like it. I really like this wig. It is kind of big head friendly. You are gonna need to pull it up like to the front, just a hair. Well, now you're gonna be pulling it to the front. You're gonna to keep from sliding back. It don't shed that much. It don't really shed at all. Like I really didn't have. It probably just shed probably like 7 strands of hair. That's it. But other than that, y'all, I like it. I like the wave pattern. It didn't really, my waves don't really look like it does on the pack. It don't. It don't. Maybe I brushed it too much, but it don't really look like it. You know what I'm saying? But I really like this hair. It's pretty. This is giving me Kardashian vibes, like for real. I don't really typically wear the color bead, but I do 2 a lot, and I really think this is pretty. So yeah, you guys, let me know what y'all think. Like, subscribe, and share. And yeah, comment below. All right, you guys, thanks for watching my channel. You guys have a good one. Bye.